Okay, so multiplying and dividing rational expressions, just like multiplying and dividing fractions, you can look at this and go, okay, well, 5 and 10, common factor. 5 goes into 5 once, goes into 10 twice. So you can cross-reduce before you even multiply, so at the end you don't have to reduce. Excuse me. You look at 3 and 17 right here, nothing goes into those. So now you take 3 times this 2, you get 6 over 1 times this 17, you get 17, 6/17. Here you do this keep 2/3, change, keep, change, flip is how we did this. Change this division to multiplication, flip this over to its reciprocal, 6/5, and you use your rules for multiplication. 3 goes in there once, goes into 6 twice. 5 and 2, you can't cross reduce those. Anything on top can cancel anything on the bottom. So don't just think they have to be, don't think they have to be across from each other. If this 2 and this 5 can cancel each other out, you can cancel them. But they don't have a common factor. So you just multiply it out. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 4/5. That's your answer. Same way with polynomials. Here's your polynomial, although now, you got to factor these so you can see if you can cross-reduce. This a minus 6 and this a minus 7, you can't factor those, but you can, factor a 3 out of this one. 3 times a minus 7 will give you that. This one factors into a, come on. A and A, one's a plus, one's a minus. I'm thinking it's minus 6 and a plus 1. So now you're getting ready to cancel things out. We'll do some green here. A minus 7 cancels an A minus 7. A minus 6 cancels an A minus 6. So you're left with 3 on the bottom. You're left with A plus 1 up top. So you got A plus 1 over 3. I believe that is all you have. Okay? Check out this division. So here's your division problem right here. And in division, you do keep, change, flip. Keep this first one. Okay? So we kept this first one. Change this division to multiplication. We did that. Flip this one to its reciprocal. See how we flipped it? Now you're ready to, let me erase some of this here. Now you're ready to factor. Alright, so we're going to factor. We're going to factor this into x minus 5 and an x minus 5. This one right here we can't factor. This one we could factor GCF out, and this one we could factor GCF out. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to factor an x out of this one. X times x is x squared. X times a positive 1 is positive x. We're going to factor a 2x out of this bottom one. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times a minus 5 is negative 10x. So we're getting ready to cancel. So we got this x minus 5 and one of those. We got this x plus 1 and this x plus 1. We got this x will cancel this x. So what do you have left on top? You got an x minus 5. On the bottom you have a 2. There's your answer. Put it in the state of Kansas and you're done. That's it. That's multiplication and division. We'll do a lot of examples.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.